Hey guys, it's me. It's another hashtag Friday Sews. Thanks to all the new subscribers, those who are in their sewing journey, and those who are just beginning their sewing journey. Enjoy, and you are more than welcome so we can continue our journey together. Thank you. Enjoy the video. Guys, remember pattern S9105, a vintage 1950s pattern. I got this fabric from Joann's. It just came in today. It's 3 yards of 100% linen. I think it's a nice pair for this particular pattern. For the summer wear. Okay, let's take a closer look at S9105 vintage 1950 simplicity dress. It has 2 views and a collar, and it's A and B. Here are your line drawings. It also has an option for a belt. Here is the layout views, and I'm sewing dress B, and here is the layout for that dress. This is just a refresher because there's another video with all of this information on it. Dress B uses pieces 1 through 9. And you have an optional collar, as I stated before, and an optional belt. S9105 is a Mrs. Vintage dress with detachable collar, and it has 10 pieces in this particular envelope. And the suggested fabrics are cotton types such as peacock, poplin, satins, satin, extra fabric needed to match plaid stripes or one-way design fabric. And your notions are here. Then you have your sizes and your views: A, dress A or B. Interfacing is also needed. This dress requires a 14-inch invisible zipper, 3 3¼ buttons, 1 1¼ wide buckle. Making a belt, I've never done that before. That should be fun. These are the line drawings on the back of the envelope. And there's your collar. Also remember to always check out the finished garment measurements. That plays a role in selecting your size. So again, S9105 paired with this nice, beautiful linen fabric. Okay, moving on. The next pattern that's being showcased this week on Friday Sews is S9740. It's a MIMIG, and it's been out for a while. And it's a dress, and you have 2 views to select from. And I probably will be doing view B, the shorter version. And I paired it with this jersey knit for this summer. And in a moment, we will take a closer look of the fabrics that are suggested on the envelope. So your suggested fabrics for S9740 are stretch knits only, such as a double knit, interlock, jersey, lightweight ponte, and you have the pick a knit rule there. And this is a Mrs. Knit dress in 2 lengths, and it's S9740. You have your sizes. And you have 2 views, dress A or B, and it's of average sewing. You also have your finished garment measurements. These are your line drawings on the back of the envelope. Okay, here is the inside of the envelope, the paper, your instructional guide. There is a step-by-step video tutorial by MIMIG. There are your line drawings, a better view. Here are your layouts. This dress is for all views are sized for stretch and knits only. And like I said, I probably will do view, the shorter version, which is A. This dress has 5 pieces and it looks very easy. And that jersey knit will be very cool and comfortable for the summer. And this is called a Mrs. Knit dress in 2 lengths. And that's S9740. And this is the showcase pattern for this week of #Friday Sews. It is paired with this material here, a nice fresh orange appeal. In addition to the fabric, the linen fabric that I ordered from Joann's, I also ordered some replacement blades for my cutter and some threads. And guys, remember pattern S9739. I'm gonna sew this version right here with the jean material or fabric. I bought these 2 spools of thread. I thought it would be a nice highlighter effect for the denim material, and it's not a heavyweight thread, so it should do well with my machine, like for top stitching and all of that. I hope it does well. So guys, I would like to thank you for joining me, and those who have newly subscribed and those who are in their beginning journeys of sewing. I would like to invite you to come back again, like, share, and give inspirational comments, and enjoy all of my videos. And just appreciate the notions of sewing together and sharing, creating. Please come back again and join me. And remember, sweet inspirations to you all. Thanks for watching.